Dutch hoe is a really useful tool for helping you tackle weeds easily without having to bend or kneel down. The Dewitt Dutch hoe is a BBC Gardener's World magazine Best Buy award winner, which we love for its high craftsmanship and ability to handle any weed it comes across. And the long ash handle has been sanded smooth and waxed so it feels lovely in the hand. It's a good length too. There's no need to bend or stoop when you're hoeing with this. The head is narrow, so it's great for weeding amongst plants in beds and borders or in between rows on the veg plot. It's got an open centre and it's really sharp, so it can cut even established weeds brilliantly. Because it's carbon steel, you can keep it sharp. It just needs regular oiling to prevent rust. This hoe feels light and well balanced and is easy to manoeuvre around beds. And because of its high quality, it's excellent value. It's a great price and it comes with a generous lifetime warranty.